Right now, give me the name of the man.
The Frank, man. Frank or Biggs. On the card, Biggs. Yeah, number
Tell me
the
about
pan
the
it.
thing. How long you do it?
Well, I want to tell you from '09, you know, because I used to sell over that side of the street there, and then we eventually come over that side there, you know. I'll turbid skin, but I don't make the turbid skin juice yet, you know, the cow foot, you know.
Where you said to me?
Yeah.
Which part of Jamaica you from?
Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
So basically, we said this is natural juice.
Yeah, man, natural juice.
One Love, soursop, magnum, peanut, cashew, pumpkin juice are good for the heart.
Yeah,
that,
man,
you know?
see pumpkin, man, see it, man.
Let me get the pumpkin instead.
Man,
Cause I know
$5. You say you have 4, you're good still,
cool,
man.
cool.
Yeah.
Carrot, beets.
Irish mash, carrot with beets, with ginger, roots, wood root. 33 different wood root make that. Tambourine, tropical quench, sorrel, pineapple mango, passion, guava, ginger beer, kombucha, marby is a bitter drink. Marby, cane juice, jelly coconut, but we kind of sell out, you know, with jelly.
Yeah.
Turbid skin, see it? Turbid skin, pomegranate, natural, water and Gatorade. You know, if you're a man at $2.
Why did you do this mission?
I want to tell you, you know, father, you have to do something to survive, you know, survival, you know. So you have to do something to survive, you know. And we don't say, you know what, you make some natural juice, you know. But when a man stop and say, why you use mix your juice, I have to tell him the truth. Because, you know, some man's system no agree with certain things. So I can't tell no lie. Because I don't want to sell a man a juice and it affect him. So I have to just talk it through. You understand? So I just tell a man when me use make it, when me use mix it. And if he say, all right, give me one, then it's up to him. Well, at least we tell him how it go. You understand? If him not even buy it, we have to still have to talk it through. Because I don't want a man go away and say, boy, you sell me a juice, you know, I ask you where in there and you tell me lie. No, I mean, not that.
You deal with it right.
Talk it through.
Righteous.
Yeah.
So now, the people all over the world, you're there Connecticut, but you come through from Brooklyn how many days?
From Monday to Saturday, we work 2 days at Connecticut. So sometime I like from Wednesday to Saturday. You understand? And then we're going back afresh again and come in again.
So we can connect with you at Foster in
Albany and Foster.
in New York.
Right,
so we can, as Jamaican, we can just come through and
man,
call you and get the thing.
Yeah, man, and get the thing. Man.
Give me the number.
917 airport 627-5390.
Would I love to support it. Jamaicans all over the world, make sure to share this on WhatsApp and everything. This is the man. What the man name again?
Juice man.
Juice man. Spanish
Frank or Biggs on the card, you know.
Biggs, respect,
yeah.
give thanks.
Bless, yes,
blessings, all right?
yeah,
We're going to come through, all right? Jamaican seat there.
You
see, the man.
All right, that's it.
Make sure the man get $1 million so he can get that storefront.
That man too.
All Jamaicans.
Sell all my little jelly and thing, you know them where? That hustling.
So what you need? A storefront where you need?
I need a little storefront, but me can't, the renting, it's so obvious. It's like sometimes you better say, boy, better you stay on the roadside because the rent is so expensive.
Yeah.
You know, because you will sell and you still not make nothing.
So basically what Jamaicans for doing at Brooklyn is to just call you on a Sunday night.
Yeah, I like tell me what they want and then we prepare it and bring it.
So you know can create a WhatsApp broadcast list.
I want to tell you, say, I did that on WhatsApp, you know, and I hacking it, you know. And I jump off of it, I just come off of it. So I did on Facebook.
Yeah?
No Facebook. I did it on Facebook, and them hacking it, and I come off of it, so I did on WhatsApp.
So here I want the people to do. Add your number to WhatsApp.
Yes.
Then you must create a WhatsApp broadcast list. With a broadcast list in WhatsApp, when you send out a message when you reach, other people are not going to get the message.
Okay.
So it's like a one-way thing.
You see.
So when you reach, you say, oh, yo, Biggs
there,
I know.
Yeah.
And then the whole flood, the whole Jamaican, I want all 500 for line up for you, you know, if you say, yo, we done it.
Man, I appreciate
if it's done in a 1 hour, it's a run the thing at work.
Yeah.
Because I run JamaicaRadio.com and Save Jamaica. Okay. A strictly Jamaica thing, I love the culture, I love the roots, I love the preservation, and the people that know something about the healing. So basically, the Marby, you know, say when you come
to...
through,
a bitter drink, it clean out,
clean out the blood.
Clean out the blood.
Irish mash make the man them strong.
And
the pumpkin.
Soursop, nerve sting, and
yes.
And
the soursop, me did not come for it.
Yeah.
Me someone in the
peanut and the cashew, you know, the cashew is a nerve thing.
Yes,
Yeah, man, the carrot and the ginger, you know. Me have all, we make a juice now, you know. Turmeric, you know.
Turmeric now?
Turmeric juice, you know.
So you're the man for the people.
Yeah, man, turmeric, man.
Just one love.
Just, you know. We just go deal with some turmeric and come in, you know.
So I'm definitely I gonna live here so because you know say better we just you know ultimately later no false sales or nothing because I'm telling you something. Mr. Mama can set up website and thing.
See.
Cause later on you have to get a subscription where a man can pay you $50 a month and him just load up on a thing.
Man,
So you know me I say
delivery man.
but
yeah,
me love it man because this right here so
man.
I definitely this is where pumpkin juice is so good for the heart.
Yeah, man. The Irish, you know, sea moss.
A good favorite thing.
Carrot with the ginger, you know. Carrot with the ginger,
the
tambourine.
These are the best.
Yeah, man.
So you go buy you go buy your thing them
Yeah,
and
man,
pick
buy
them
me
out.
Thing, them, yeah, man, I buy my thing them.
Who
man,
teach you how to do
I
the
deal
thing?
with them, man. I want to tell you, say, inspiration, you know. I just me and my wife still, you know. Yeah, with us
Kids,
this
yeah.
a process some used to sell, you know.
I want them.
Yeah, man, and one day me over this time, I come over here, so me and my son in my park.
Yeah.
And a policeman stop us and say, where your license? So I say, license officer, sell, because water me used to sell first.
Yeah.
And I say, water, license to sell water. And he said, yes, because something people are consume.
Yeah.
So it inspired me, you know, to find the place where I can get my license. So see me food protection certificate there. And see me permit there.
Right way.
Yeah.
Now you can explain how people can do that, other Jamaicans, right?
Yeah,
How long
yeah.
did it take you to get that?
Well, I want to tell you, it not take much long, you know, because I just go to 42nd Street and get the papers and just fill it out and send it in Albany.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So,
And then respond back to me and I get it and I just go for my license and from there on.
then we now forgot support you, man.
Yeah, man.
Because
When police pass or someone, they never look for me.
Yeah, so what's up, you say?
Sold out, big man. Sold out, Rasta. Next week thing, yeah? I want to tell you, say, I have tambourine. See pumpkin, pumpkin good, you know. I have passion, I have tropical quench. I have a carrot with ginger. Carrot with ginger, I have sorrel with ginger. I have ginger beer straight. Because me partially I done now and I have a bitter drink, you know, Marby.
Give me the ginger.
Alright. $5 for the carrot and the ginger.
Everything is right.
No, not really. 5 and 4, but you know, $5 for this, $4 for like fruits. See pumpkin at $5. Like the passion, the sorrel, the tropical at $4. Guava.
You have guava too?
Yeah man, you have guava too. $4.
I'm gonna try again.
Alright, bless man. Thanks for your support. Here, sir. Yeah man, bless man.
I saw it going on.
Yeah man, bless.
I love it, man. When
Yeah,
I get
man.
here, so I get my pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
And I tell you, so I chew a $4, I just move. I'm glad to have my $4
I don't know
still.
if you even have 3, me that give it same.
You try the pumpkin though, like, man, tell me right now, that is the pumpkin seed.
The pumpkin juice, man, a legit thing, man. Yeah man, bless.
It's good for the heart.
Yeah man. See that? Pumpkin gone home now. Pumpkin gone.
You have the best menu in a Brooklyn, the best menu me ever see this, you know.
Yeah man.
Well, I mean, I tell you, God bless me today, because me tell you.
Yeah man, God send them all you.
God just say, I know, cashew.
Pineapple mango, a natural thing them a Rasta. Hey,
So you know,
a man come from Long Island. And he said, Bridget, you know why I come back here, so? I buy a pineapple mango from you and I taste a piece of ear in my juice.
the pineapple.
Are the pineapple or the mango.
And
And him said that's why I come
natural.
back and natural juice I sell.
So you know, sell it to restaurants?
No, because my thing can't stay up on shelf, you know. Because I don't have preservative in it. I don't make my things with preservative.
Respect.
When you buy my things, if you buy more than one, you have to freeze it. So when you freeze it, it stays. So when you want one, you just take it out and you just tie it out and you're good.
Yes, I.
Yeah. You know?
Yes, I.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Biggs.
man. Biggs.
You just changed the world, my lord.
Yes, man.
Because the people from all over the world, Africa, I eat this.
Yeah, man. Kombucha.
Kombucha. How that
It's on
works?
shelf too, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, it's on shelf in a store too, man. But my one different.
You have cane juice too?
Yeah, man, me have cane juice too, man, but it don't know. Yeah, man, me have a cane machine and me juicer them, man. Everything me have, man. Try if you have that, and me have a little printer where make me little label and them thing
I
there.
love it, man. This is Jamaica at its greatest.
Yeah, man.
So you have man at Jamaica where can easily set up the thing like this.
Yeah, man.
And they matter about them now work. Where you say to Jamaicans who are rob and a kill and nah.
Well,
hustle?
I want to tell you sir, that what them want do, because enough man not do this, because it take time. So a man who that say, boy, I prefer go rob, you know, because it's quicker. But he don't know say I put in life in a danger still. You understand? Because when me did live at 3105 Avenue D, you know, and through the hardship of the rent and thing, me left and got Connecticut.
Got it.
And when me and my wife and my son, when me got Connecticut, a buckle, empty buckle, we walk and pick up.
Where is it to me?
Yeah. Empty buckle, we walk and pick up. And God was so good when my daughter filed for me and helped me. And I say, you know, I'm get my thing and straighten out myself and see there. And yeah, some of the Connecticut come from your son. Yeah, Monday to Saturday or Wednesday to Saturday.
Jamaicans want to know if you stop by Joe's supermarket. Give them the number again.
917 area code 627-5390.
This is Biggs. This is Randy for SaveJamaica.com. Me endorse Biggs. Come here, go and go drink my pumpkin juice. And you see the man upon the hustle, like Golden Cross, Biggs juice,
man.
right?
Yeah, man.
This is natural juice coming out from Jamaica. So Spanish Town originally?
Yeah, man. St. John's Road, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So Linstead all age, you must know Linstead.
Yeah, man, I know Linstead, man. We used to go to Crescent School.
Yeah, yeah?
Yeah, upon Walks Road.
How old are you now?
I'm 62, June gone.
So you
look like 50, not true.
You look like a 34, you know.
Yes.
So the juice every day.
May I tell you, my lord.
So this is it, Brooklyn. This is it, New York. Link up the man.
Yeah,
please, me beg on me beg on me beg on
Faster Albany in Brooklyn.
Me beg on Faster Albany right
yeah,
there.
Man,
So
right at the park, yes, man.
Uno call the man and make sure. Set up the WhatsApp broadcast, cause just so you know, but I love to get a text. Biggs juice there, so I know. Can't spend your money on Babylon and have to support the Jamaican. Love, peace, Anna.
Peace, bless. Yes,
Jelly coconut, alright?
Yeah, man.
We love you, Biggs.
Next week,
we love you.
Yeah,
Give thanks.